Hello guys, come with me as I show you what I do and where I work. I work at this organization that we call that is called Powerland Project. Here we teach people how to program, and as you can see I was alone in the office because of the maandamano thing. Hakuna watu walikuja job, so I found my own building niko peke yangu. So after that, I just went straight to the kitchen. Then I prepared some coffee for myself because I was so hungry. So after that, I went back to my job where I do as a data analyst and also as an instructor, Python instructor. The day was so boring, so I decided to spend the day with this shorty. This shorty of mine gave me company. We had a nice day. Then time came and I went for lunch. In this lunch, I went to a Kibandaski, where this is an hidden gem, I tell you, my friend. So I decided to take some matumbo and ugali with a mix of kachumbari, where I enjoyed the meal because our chef Lydia was not around that particular time. After a long day, I decided to leave, so that's me leaving the office and then going back to home and then spending the rest of the day doing my data analyst thing remotely because of the maandamano thing. So that's it. So I had to enjoy my day. So that's me going home listening to some nice music.
Listen to me, baby, relax and start passing. Expressway, airbag, even through the traffic. This one's strong.